Hey Matt, so I wanted to send this video to walk through what the tutorial should look like, and let me know if you're experiencing anything differently. Also, I really appreciate the feedback you've given me so far. So I'm going to click this tutorial, and the AI should walk you through what she wants. So in this case, this tutorial, I'm creating a condition. And you did the courses, you know that a condition is something that compares two indicators. So in this case, I want to create a SPY RSI condition. One cheat code that I usually do, which should work, but sometimes there are bugs. It's just like copy paste what it wants, and then after a minute or so, it should have this little UI, the little emoji confetti, and it says you achieved it. Now, if I were to do another tutorial, let's do a real quick another example. I can go for let's see, run your first backtest. I can start this tutorial. Let's say I didn't do it correctly. Then it says create a buy and hold strategy. Let's say I want to say create a 30-day SPY SMA indicator. If I didn't do what it wanted, then it won't complete the tutorial, and it's gonna make me keep going and going. There are some hints. So the hint says run backtest is saying run a backtest. Although this hint is actually not super helpful. What this hint should say, first create portfolio. First I'm gonna say create a buy and hold SPY portfolio first. And then after that, I'm gonna say run backtest. And I think that was the challenge. Yeah. Run backtest, and then it now says it's done because I completed the tutorial. So I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you have any additional questions or